Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok location not showing. So if you want to upload a TikTok video and you want to add locations to your videos but you cannot find or the location is not loading in your TikTok, this is how you are going to fix it. First, you can try to open the apps info on TikTok on your phone. So just long press on TikTok in here and then go to the app info, or you can go to settings and find apps and click on TikTok, and in here you can go to the storage and cache and try to clear the cache and also clear the storage. But please be note that if you choose to clear the storage, you need to relog in into TikTok again because your data will be wiped out. Okay, you can try that, and you can also try to clear the apps directly on the TikTok apps. You can open your TikTok and click on the three lines icon, go to the settings and privacy. Here you can scroll down and choose to free up space, and here you can try to clear the cache again like this. Now the cache has been cleared, and if the location is still not showing, you can try to open the Play Store on your phone or the App Store and then just find TikTok and see if it needs any update. You can see that I've already on my latest version because it is not asked me to update my app. So you can try to uninstall the TikTok app first and then reinstall it again and see if the problem is fixed. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.